Here I have iPad Pro 4th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then switch to the camera section and enable scan QR codes here. You should have this feature enabled by default, but in case if you accidentally disable it or you disable it on purpose, it doesn't matter. Here you can go and enable it. And after you have it enabled, you just open camera, and now we can scan any QR code just with our camera. So as you can see, as soon as it spots my QR code, it suggests me to open it in Edge, because Edge is my default browser for some reason. I didn't set it up, I have to confess. And that's how you can easily scan any QR code and open any link which is being encoded there. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.